Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you to use the Stage Manager. And the Stage Manager is going to allow you to manage your open apps. Alright, so to do that, go to Control Center, right there, in the upper section. It's already here, it's right there. Click top and it says Stage Manager and it shows you a preview of what it does. Alright, so we're going to say turn on Stage Manager. Alright, so now it has turned on Stage Manager. Here we go. So all we gotta do is activate the Stage Manager and Stage Manager will come on. Alright guys, to activate the feature, which is here, once it's on, it will be highlighted. So this is off. So it's off now. So in order to, excuse me a bit, these are the stuff that's open. In order to activate it, it's very easy. Turn it on. Go ahead and open some stuff up. So for example, I go to my Finder. I minimize Finder. You notice it goes to there. I open the browser. I minimize it. Notice it as I do that, it's adding stuff to it. Let's say I go to apps and then I minimize the apps. So each time you open different things, as soon as you minimize them, they'll add to the stack over here, so you can actually see the stack at the side, and then you can go between open windows or the stuff you're working with. So I have iMovies open, I have browser, and I have something in Finder. All right, so that's it right there. It's very cool. I like the 3D effect as you switch between windows. All right, so that's how to use it on any Mac. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.